Guys, so in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be raptoring.
Wait. What's going on here? Holy shit, what the? Turn around. Oh shit, this is alright. Okay, whatever. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, anyways, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be raptoring the side steps on this Dodge Ram. As you can see already, the paint art on it is already coming off. Lucky for us, they're made out of aluminum, so we don't have to sandblast them. All we gotta do is just scuff them up and tape up, cover up, and raptor them. Oh, but before that, we gotta put adhesive promoter, of course. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so in this truck, we're gonna start doing the steps, but first we gotta leave the door open right now, because these steps are automatic. So like when you close it, they close, they open, they just go back up. When you open it, they come back down. So what we gotta do is we gotta leave the door open, pop the hood, and disconnect the battery so we can have the side steps down and be able to close the door. Alright guys, so let's get to that. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done already scuffing up the side steps. What we're going to do now is just tape and paper up all around. We're not going to spray any Raptor. So what we're going to do right now is just do a paper up. We're going to mix some adhesive promoter, spray the steps, and then get to Raptoring. Alright guys?
Alright guys, so now that we're finished taping up both sides, it's time to spray on the adhesive promoter. So let's get to it.
So we let the adhesive promoter flash for about 15 minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start spraying the Raptor on the side steps. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let it sit there and let it dry for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and give it the second coat. Alright guys, so we let it sit there for about 20 minutes already, and as you can see, it's already really nice and even. So all I'm gonna do now is just back up a little and spray it farther distance, and so we can get a texture from it. And a lot of people ask us what pressure to use. The first coat we usually spray it at 80. And the second coat, we usually go 100, 110 to give it that, that nice texture and give it just for it to look really nice. So what we're gonna do is just give it that second coat with that 110 psi. So it'll be really nice and textured. Alright guys, let's just get to it. Alright guys, so that's the second coat. All we're gonna do now is just let it sit there and dry, and take off the paper and tape. So then we can see how it looks. Hopefully it looks really nice.
Alright guys, so we let it sit there for about an hour. So what I'm gonna do right now, as you can see, it's already dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that one off and that one off and start taking off the paper, and same thing on the other side. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the steps already. What we pretty much did was just the sanding and the papering up. I mean, it really didn't take long. It really just took about a good
4 hours.
Four hours. The thing that took longer was just the papering up the whole side of the vehicle, so we won't get any overspray on anything. But overall, this was a quick job, and I really hope that our customer is really satisfied with what we did with the steps. For us, I think it came out really amazing. As you can see, it looks really good. So other than that, guys, thank you for your support and for viewing our videos. Thank you so much, and like and subscribe.